Hello, my name is VANNI COVOLO. I am the CEO of Mold SRL and the founder of River Cleaning. We started river cleaning in 2018 as the next and challenging stage in the evolution of Mold SRL, from thermoplastic design and prototype activity to clearing plastic waste from waterways leading into oceans. With river cleaning, our goal is to see plastic-free beaches, limpid oceans.
Ocean pollution has become one of the biggest problems of our time, with over 8 million tons of plastic discharged into the ocean each day. 80% of this marine litter comes from rivers, and it is important to address those that account for the most part. It is estimated that the impact of marine litter costs the global economy $2.2 trillion a year.
Mold has been working to find an innovative solution to this potentially catastrophic environmental challenge. We have developed a smart and energy-free floating barrier to block pollutants before they reach the ocean. The geared chain-like barrier is adaptable to various waterways, allows the passage of small and large boats, doesn't disrupt the well-being of riverine wildlife, and finally can be adapted to stop both plastic waste and oil leakages. We are confident on this solution as the most effective way to stop the pollution elements right in the waterways before they reach the oceans.
From our trial in River Brenta in Italy, we had remarkable results. Our solution can collect 95% of waste in a waterway, can be adapted to any size, and operates without energy impact as it is powered by the water current. The next step is to industrialize the design of the buoying modules for 24/7 operations with a lifespan of at least 5 years. Also, we want to integrate remote control and environmental scanning functions to ease maintenance and detect when the collection containers are filling up for retrieval by recycling partners. In addition, the complete system needs also to be validated with river authorities and local governments. Investors like Italian Angels for Growth and Max Capital have shown interest in our solution, but require commercially validated value propositions. Hence, we need the EIC accelerator funding to de-risk our profile before they can invest. The accelerator funding will also position us to target the 10 rivers responsible for the majority of marine litter and grow our team in preparation for market scale-up. Join us in the fight against ocean pollution.